Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enhance your bass tracks. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. Great bass track here. The only downside about it is that beyond 850 or about 900 hertz, it's virtually non-existent. So to enhance this, I have duplicated the bass track, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use Arturia's Tape Melify. I'm going to enable my drive and set it to about 15%. We'll set my playback speed to 4 bars. Will increase my wear to around 15% and the mechanics to around minus 40 dB. We'll make sure the noise is minus 70 and our flutter to 16%. We're going to feed that into max bass. We'll set our frequency to 250 hertz. We'll increase our max bass to -2. And we'll set our dynamics rate to 3 to 1. We are going to feed that into dangerous backs EQ. We'll use our high frequency shelf at 1.6K. We'll increase that a couple of steps. We'll leave everything else as is. And here we are using our channel and removing everything beyond 800 hertz. We're just going to use the compression section at -27, which is our threshold. We're going to use the fastest attack. We're using a rate of 3 to 1 and the return of 50 milliseconds. And finally, we are going to feed that to Waves Submarine. We're going to set our range to 150 to 240. We have sub 1 and 2 enabled, and our dry and wet mix is at 30%. We'll increase our drive by 7 and we'll push our dynamics to 15. Let's listen to it. Here's before. After. Let's listen to it in context. Try it and let me know what you think.